Hello, welcome to Real Estate Focus. This is Calvin Law. I'm a real estate broker with eXp Realty. I'm going to share with you about what is an open house. When a property first listed for sale, one of the best ways to showcase the property is to have an open house. So what is an open house? It is a set schedule of times and dates to invite or to allow all the prospective buyers, investors, contractors, realtors, and neighbors to view the property. It is one of the best ways to allow everyone to view the property at once during an open house. An open house usually takes place between 1 to 3 hours. They usually take place on Saturdays or Sundays. Probably a lot of new listings, they will have an open house on Saturdays and Sundays, even during the weekdays. It is one of the best ways for the convenience of the sellers and tenants, especially they live in the property, so that the listing agent wouldn't have to be at the property at each showing, because with a property in high demand and with a lot of requested showings, the sellers or the tenants could be annoying, and it could interrupt their daily lives as well. Especially during the pandemic, a lot of people working from home, so it will cause a lot of inconveniences to sellers or tenants. An open house could attract a lot of buyers with multiple interests, and also it could create a bidding war as well. So it is a good environment to have everyone to come to the property. Of course, with safety guidelines. So how to prepare before the open house, or what to prepare before an open house? Well, making sure you remove all the important and expensive personal belongings, including jewelries, cash, souvenirs, and etc. etc. Maybe it's best to remove family pictures for the safety of your family members, especially when you have small kids in the house. Making sure the property is well prepared, uncluttered, and organized before the open house, so that it will allow the prospective buyers to view the property a little bit longer when they visit the property. It makes the space or the spaces more comfortable and inviting. What to do after each open house? I would suggest that you sanitize everything, because there are a lot of touches, footprints, and also dirt in the property as well. If you have multiple open houses, or the next open house on a weekend, let's say you have an open house on Saturday and Sunday, or even Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, maybe it's best to leave everything after each open house intact, so that you don't have to reorganize again. So those are the tips that I'd like to share with you. I hope you find the information helpful. If you like my channel, please subscribe I will have more topics coming up. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.